welcome back to my channel and welcome to the 4th episode. And for today's makeup look, I was thinking to create a very easy eye makeup combined of course with super bright red lipsticks. So let's just jump right into it. And firstly I will prime my face using this primer from NYX Cosmetics, and to prime my eyes I will be using my favorite eye cream from Estee Lauder. Now for foundation I will take my favorite from MAC Cosmetics and blend it with a beauty blender. For concealer, I will be using the NYX Cosmetics HD Studio Photogenic. I will set my foundation using the finishing powder from NYX Cosmetics, and I am using this big face brush from BH Cosmetics in the number V1 to apply it all over my face. Okay, so now I'll move to the brows, and to shape them I will be taking the pretty VULGAR brow pencil. Now I will apply some bronzer, and I will take the City bronzer from Maybelline. For blush, I will take this beautiful blush from MAC Cosmetics in Desert Rose. And now let's move to the eye makeup, and I will prime my lids using this eyeshadow primer from NYX Cosmetics. It's called Proof It, and I will use my finger to blend it, and then to fix the eyeshadow primer I will be using the finishing powder from NYX Cosmetics and apply it with a concealer brush like this one from Real Techniques. Now on my eyelids I will take from this ALCHEMIST holographic palette from Kat Von D this beautiful violet color. It is a super light holographic purple color. I am obsessed with this shade, and I'll apply it with my finger. Complete this eye makeup look by using some mascara, and I am using this one from the Body Shop in blue, and I'm applying it on my upper and lower lashes. And now on the lips, as I promised, I will be using a very bright red color, and I am using this lip crayon from Aster in Keep in Touch number 021. And now for highlighter, I will take from the same Kat Von D palette that I've used on my eyes, the pink color. So this is the completed look. I don't know about you guys, but it kind of gives me an 80s vibe. Let me know in the comments below if you have the same feeling, and of course if you like today's makeup look. And before you leave, of course don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit that bell notification, and I will see you tomorrow with the next video. Bye!